Good evening, my dear children. As we all know that due to corona we are unable to attend our school. We have to stay at our home and we have to learn our lessons also. Now today I am going to teach class 3 English Lit chapter 6, The Ignorant Man. As I used to say in the class that children, take pencil in your hand and put your finger on your book, keep your eyes on your book and listen to me carefully while I'm teaching. Okay. Now the name of the story is The Ignorant Man. Ignorant Man. Many hard words are there. I am going to tell you the meaning of those hard words also. If it is possible, then you please note it down in your book with your pencil. Okay. Once there lived a milkman. Now the man who delivers milk to houses is called milkman. His name was कन्हैया. एक मिल्कमैन था, उसका नाम कन्हैया था. He had built his hut far away from his village in the woods. और he had built his house, he had built his hut far away from the village, near the woods. उसने घर बनाया था कहाँ पर? एक गांव के बाहर में और एक घने जंगल के सामने. He loved the quietness of the woods rather than noisy atmosphere of the village. Now he don't like so much noises, he don't like so much shoutings and all these things. So he made his house. What he loved the quietness of the woods, okay, and no disturbances, okay. That is why he built his house just आउटसाइड ऑफ द विलेज नियर द वुड्स. उसका शांत परिवेश बहुत अच्छा लगता था, इसीलिए वो गांव के बाहर एक घने जंगल के सामने उसने घर बनाया था. ही लिव्ड इन हिज हार्ट विथ हिज 2 cows. और उसके साथ कौन कौन था? 2 गाय था. ही लिव्ड विथ हिज 2 cows. He fed them well and took them proper care of them. Now he also fed them very well and he also used to take them to take the proper bath nearby lake or nearby pond, wherever it may be. दोनों को अच्छा से खाने के लिए देते थे और दोनों को नहाते भी है. Every day he took the 2 cows to a nearby lake for giving them a bath. Now every day Kanhaiya used to take his 2 cows to the nearby lake to give them bath. हर दिन वो दोनों गाय को लेकर लेक में, बगल में जो लेक था उसमें लेकर जाते थे और दोनों को नहाते थे. The 2 cows gave more milk. Or these 2 cows, they used to give more milk. With the milk that the 2 cows gave, he earned enough money to live happily. Now by selling those milk, he used to earn sufficient money and he lived happily. Now बहुत वो दूध बेचकर बहुत सारे पैसे कमाते थे और बहुत खुश भी थे. कन्हैया वॉज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. कन्हैया बहुत ऑनेस्ट मैन था, एक ट्रूथफुल मैन था, सिंसियर मैन था. दो ही वॉज कंटेंट एट टाइम्स ही वुड फील रेस्टलेस. कन्हैया जब भी बहुत खुश था लेकिन फिर भी बहुत रेस्टलेस भी था. रेस्टलेस मतलब रिलैक्स नहीं पाते थे. ओके. There was so much wrong and evil in this world. और उसने सोचने लगता था कि कितना सारे बुराई काम यहाँ इस वर्ल्ड में हो रहा है. So much wrong and evil are going to happen in this world. Is there nobody to guide the people? Now he was thinking that nobody is there to guide us, nobody is there to guide the people. और कोई नहीं था कि हम लोग को अच्छा रास्ता से लेकर चल सकता है. This thought made him sad every now and then. So this thought, that means he always used to think that nobody is there in this world that who can take us in the proper path, in the honest path. Okay. Now बहुत दिन तक ये कन्हैया सोचने लगा कि अगर कोई नहीं है जो हम लोग को अच्छा रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं. One evening, the ignorant man Kanhaiya was returning home after selling milk in the village. तो एक दिन शाम को घर लौट रहा था, वापस आ रहा था उसका दूध बेचकर. He was returning home from the village by selling all the milk. He saw a saint sitting under a tree and meditating. तो उसने क्या देखा एक सेंट मतलब एक वाइज मैन उसने मेडिटेटिंग कर रहा है. ठीक है, मेडिटेटिंग मतलब सेटिंग इन कंसंट्रेशन, कुछ चीज़ ध्यान से सोच रहा था. He slowly walked up to him and waited for the saint to open his eyes. Now Kanhaiya walked slowly up to him and just waited for him to open his eyes. उस बगल में जाके वेट कर रहा था. जब वेट कर रहा था किस लिए? वो सेंट जब आँख खुलेगा तो कुछ बोलेगा. He was happy to be with the saint for some time. Now he was feeling very happy too that he will be having some time with this saint. Saint के साथ कुछ देर बिता सकते हैं, इसीलिए वो बहुत खुश थे. He decided to wait there till the saint opened his eyes. Now Kanhaiya decided himself that I have to wait over here till the saint opened his eyes. After a while, the saint slowly opened his eyes. He was surprised to see man patiently sitting beside him. Now कुछ देर के बाद सेंट ने उसने आँख खोला और देखा कि एक आदमी सामने बैठा हुआ है. What do you want? asked the saint humbly. I want to know what's the path of truth and pity. Now, saint ने पूछा है तुमको क्या चाहिए? तो उसने क्या बोला? कन्हैया ने क्या बोला कि हमको ट्रूथ और पीटी का रास्ता आप बता दीजिए. Where shall I find honesty? asked कन्हैया. कन्हैया और भी पूछा है कि honesty हमको कहाँ मिलेगा, truthfulness हमको कहाँ मिलेगा. The saint smiled and said, go to the pond nearby and ask the fish the same question. She will give you the answer. Now the saint, he said to this Kanhaiya that you please go to the nearby pond and ask the same question to a fish and that fish will give you the answer. उसने बोला कि अगल बगल में लेक है, उस लेक में आप जाओ और मछली से पूछो तुम्हारा जो क्वेश्चन है और मछली से तुमको आंसर मिल जाएगा. The saint smiled and said, go to the pond. Okay. Then as he asked to do, the ignorant man Kanhaiya went to the nearby pond and asked the same question to the fish. Now this ignorant man means he doesn't know anything. He just wondering something. He was searching something. Okay, the path of truth and pity. So he was ignorant and he went to the lake and asked the same question to a fish. उस लेक में गए थे और एक मछली को सेम क्वेश्चन पूछे थे. The fish said, "Oh kind man, first bring me some water to drink." Kanhaiya was surprised. Now मछली ने क्या बोला कि kind man, he was a kind man. Of course, Kanhaiya was a kind man, and the fish said to the Kanhaiya that you please go and bring some water for me to drink. तो कन्हैया वॉज सरप्राइज्ड. कन्हैया सरप्राइज्ड हो गया. ये क्या बोल रहा है, पानी में रहते हैं और पानी मांग रहा है पीने के लिए, कैसे बात है. He said, you live in water but you still want to drink. How strange. उसने और भी बोला है कि तुम पानी में रहते हो और तुम कैसे पानी मांग रहे हो पीने के लिए. You are living in the water, isn't it? Then how you are asking to give you the water to drink? At this moment the fish replied, you were right, and that gives you the answer to your question as well. Now the fish said, yes, you are absolutely right, and in your question only your answer is lying there. तो उसने बोला कि तुम एकदम ठीक बात बोले हो और तुम्हारा जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें ही तुम्हारा आंसर है. Truth, pity and honesty are inside the heart of the man. Now, but being ignorant, he searches for them in the outer world. ये truth, pity and honesty, ये तीनों चीज़ कोई भी आदमी का अंदर में है इसका अंदर में है, लेकिन हम लोग ढूंढते हैं कहाँ मिलेगा, कहाँ मिलेगा, हम लोग ढूंढते हैं. दिस ट्रूथ, pity and honesty are already inside the heart of a man, inside all of us, inside you also, my dear children. But we are ignorant, we doesn't know all these things, we don't know all these things. That is why we search this truth, pity and happiness here and there. But all these things lie in ourselves only. Okay, instead of wandering here and there, look within yourself and you will find them. तो मछली ने और भी बोला है कि तुम इधर उधर मत ढूंढो, तुम अपने आप को देखो तो तुमको आंसर मिल जाएगा. You will get the answer. You stop wandering here and there, you stop seeing here and there, but you look within yourself and you will get the answer. You will get all the answer. That means truth, pity, honesty, whatever it may be, you will get it. This gave an immense satisfaction to Kanhaiya, and immense matlab great. So Kanhaiya was very satisfied, was very pleased to get this answer. He thanked the fish and returned home as a wiser man. और मछली को धन्यवाद देकर वो घर वापस लौट आया और एक वाइजर आदमी बन के, मतलब नॉलेजेबल पर्सन बन के उसने घर लौटा है. He became a wiser man. That means he is having a knowledge that where we will get pity, truth, honesty, whatever it may be. He can say, now he can express it, now he can give the other person the valuable opinion because he knows it. Okay. He changed the way in which he saw his world as well as himself. उसने जैसे देख रहा था ये वर्ल्ड को, वो व्यू को चेंज किया है और अपने आप को भी चेंज किया है. From that day, Kanhaiya never felt restless. He took his best to carry his message to the rest of his fellow human beings. तो उसी दिन से और रेस्टलेस नहीं हो रहा था और उसका जो दोस्त लोग है और भी फेलो जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है सभी को ये मैसेज वो उसने देने लगा. तो he was just conveying this message, whatever he got it from the fish or whatever he got it from that saint, he just conveying these messages to all the human beings, to his friends, to his neighborhoods, to other human beings, to all of them. All these friends accepted him as the master and consulted him to overcome their mental problems. Now all his friends, they accepted him as a wiser man and they also consulted him. That means they asked the advice. Okay, whenever they are in problem, whenever they are confused, they get confused, they used to come to Kanhaiya and they asked the question to Kanhaiya and Kanhaiya gave them the proper answer, gave them the suitable answer, and to overcome their mental problems. That means whenever these people used to get affected or whenever these people used to get in problems, Kanhaiya is there to solve these problems for the sake of those people. Okay. So dear children, I am sending these exercises also within this video, attaching with this video. Now while reading the chapter, as I used to say in the class, read the chapter 10 times and learn the spellings and learn the word meanings also. If you find any problem, if you face any problem, I am there to help you. Again I am repeating that read the chapter 10 times and learn the exercises, learn the question answer also. That will be sending to you, be attaching with this video. While you will reading this chapter, you keep my video in front of you, it will help you. And finally, again I am requesting you, don't get outside of your house, obey your parents and take proper meals, rest and learn your lessons properly. Okay, my dear children, thank you.